आम् तु शुभमध्याह्नः सर्वैः उत्तमभोजनं प्राप्तम् इति मन्ये इदानीम् अग्रे सरामः तु इतोपि अभ्यासाः सन्ति तदनन्तरम् अग्रे स्मराः भवन्तः प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु एतस्मिन् विषये अत्र पुस्तके कुत्रापि गुणः इति सूचितमस्ति मम पुस्तके तत्तु एण्ड् स्यात् अत्र तत्र मुद्रणदोषाः सन्ति इति मन्ये तु चिन्ता मास्तु अस्तु सङ्ग्राह्यविषयाः इति अन्तिमबिन्दुः तदनन्तरं केचन अभ्यासाः एतान् कृत्वा किञ्चित् प्रश्नपत्रिकायाः पुनरावर्तनं कर्तुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः अद्य तु अस्मिन् विषयेषु 11, 12 एतयोः संख्याम् आश्रित्य पदानाम् आवल्यः सन्ति तत् पश्यामः तु there are about famous 11s and 12s in the संग्राह्य विषय of today. So 11 रुद्राः. So I guess you can call it as different aspects of Shiva protecting different aspects of life or maybe even directions. Okay, so this is what it is. Mahadevah, Shivah, Rudrah, Shankarah, Neelalohitah, Ishanah, Vijayah, Bhimah, Devadevah, Bhavodbhavah. The first few are very familiar to us. Mahadevah, Shivah, Rudrah, Shankarah. So they are quite easy to remember. We also know an alternative, we call it Maheshwara also is assigned, but that is Maha and Ishwara, which is a combination that can be, but it's not in the list officially here. Then Neela Lohitaha, it's something about the coloration. Okay, so Neela Lohitaha, it is somewhat like a purplish color. Okay, metallic blue, you can take it. Then Ishanaha, okay. See, Isha means a leader. Also, Ishanaha is Ishanya is a direction. Also, somewhere in between there it is that. Then Vijayaha, Bhimaha, Devadevaha, Bhavodbhavaha. They seem like generic titles, but they seem to be in this case specific titles to Rudras, different Rudras of the this group. Okay, so Mahadevah, Shivaha, Rudraha, Shankaraha, Neelalohitaha. Ishanah, Vijayah, Bhimah, Devadevah, Bhavodbhavah. Okay. Then Dvadasha Adityaha. Aditya is of course Surya. So those who are from the Yogasana tradition here probably are very familiar because the Surya Aditya Namaskaras, the Surya Namaskaras that are done in Yogasana, they include verse recitation or one-line recitations, Mitraya Namaha, Om Ravaye Namaha, like that. So that's actually this list. Mitraha, Ravihi, Suryaha, Bhanuhu, Khagaha, Pusha, see, Akaranta, Pullinga. Hiranyagarbha, Marichihi, Adityah, Savita, another Akaranta Pullinga. Arkaha, Bhaskaraha. So Mitraha, see, remember, Mitram is a friend. Mitraha is Surya. Okay, Mitraha, Ravihi, Suryaha, Bhanuhu, Khagaha, the guy who crosses the sky, flies in the sky, Khagaha. This one is also the name for a bird also. Okay, Pusha, Hiranyagarbha, Marichihi, Adityah, Savita, Arkaha, Bhaskaraha. Some are familiar to us. Ravi, Surya, Bhanu, Bhaskara, Aditya. These are very familiar to us because quite common, useful, used names which we know to be paryayas of Surya. Others we have to. This is a little bit more. Hiranyagarbha comes from Shastras. Okay, and Savita. So also is very, very popular, but only if you go into the Shastras, you will see this name quite often. Arka also is very commonly seen, but less normally in the world. Okay, so good, nice names. Dwadasha, yes,
महोदय,
yes, ma'am.
एकनिमिषः। इदानीम् 11 रुद्राः, 12 आदित्याः च। आदित्यः इति नामम् अस्ति, किमर्थम्?
आदित्यः इति सूर्यदेवस्य नामान्तरम् एकम् अस्तु वा? तत्र
अस्तु।
आदित्याः इति आदित्यः इति नाम स्वीकृत्य तस्य बहुवचनं कृत्वा 12 आदित्याः इति सूचितमस्ति। अस्तु वा? तो तत्र 12 रवयः, 12 सूर्याः, 12 बाणवः, 12 अर्काः किमपि वक्तुं शक्नुमः तत्र। सूर्यदेवस्य किमपि नाम स्वीकृत्य तत्र 12 आदित्याः, 12 मित्राः, 12 रवयः एतत् सूचितुं शक्नुमः। तत्र पुस्तके आदित्य इति स्वीकृत्य सूचितमस्ति तथैव।
तत् सम्यक् अस्ति महोदय। अहम् इदानीम् 11 रुद्राः, तद् लास्ट् लिस्ट् मध्ये लास्ट् आदित्यः इति अस्ति।
कुत्र आदित्यः इति अस्ति? रुद्रः इत्यत्र भवोद्भवः इत्येव अस्ति। 1 2 3
मम
4
पुस्तके
5 6
लेखनं
7 8 9 10.
There in
Oh,
our book also.
there is actually, you're right, there is a printing error in the book I have. They have actually missed the 11th name. 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5. So that it says there Aditya, is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So easy for you. Now, if you remember Aditya, it is applying to 2 answers. One is Rudra, one says Aditya. Now, why so? I mean, if you see qualitatively what Aditya means, you can say it applies to Shiva in some context and applies to Surya in another context. Okay. Something like that. I can conclude. Yeah.
Sir, so Savita is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda.
It seems like Pusha and Savita clearly are Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. So we need to look at that word.
No, females also have that names, right?
That is true. That is true. I don't know whether Surya has a Strilinga name. I need to cross check this. Okay. It's quite possible. Sometimes necessarily the Deva name need not be in Pullinga. So it's
all this comes in Aditya Hridayam.
Okay.
Shloka.
Okay. Oh, is there in one shloka? Is it?
Is the original word.
Yeah.
Original word is Savitru, like
Savita Ravilochanaha.
Like Pitru.
Rikaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Pitru becomes Savita.
No, Savita Ravilochanaha also comes.
Even when you do Surya Namaskar, you chant all of them. Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Pravaye Namaha. There it goes, Om Savitraya Namaha.
No, Aditya Savita Suryaha comes in Shloka. Khagabhusha.
Who knows the Aditya Hridayam shloka?
Yeah, it is a long verse, I know.
Hold on. Okay, Chitra Bhagini, just one of Chitra Bhagini, you please say that.
Aditya Savita Suryaha Kagabhusha Kabastimana Suvarna Sadursobano Hiranyarepa Divakara Haritatsva Sahasrachi Sapta Saptir Marisiman Timiron Madana Sambus Dvashta Martanda Amsumana Hiranya Garbha Shishiraha Tapano Bhaskaro Ravi. It's a long one.
Very nice. So in addition to the names, it has some stuti attached to it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Radha Bhagini, also. Thank you. I think she also knows. Thanks. Both to Chitra Bhagini and Radha Bhagini. Nice, actually.
Yes, but when you say yoga also, no, Surya Namaskar, we tell all these things. Om Mitraya Namaha, Om Ravaye Namaha.
Correct. In Surya Namaskara, that Padhati is there. And that's why even 12 sequence is also there in that. Okay, very good. Nice to learn. So, okay, what is missing in the screen is Aditya is also available again for Rudra also. Okay. So, looks like Sanskrit Bharati did some sutra technique to take a shortcut, say, borrow it from this. Okay. All right. Dvadasha Rashayaha. This is from Jyotish Shastra. The 12 Rashis are the stellar regions in the sky identified by sets of stars which form that particular cluster. This, as we know, it's a common tradition between Greek historians and Indian Jyotishkas. Meshah, Vrishabah, Mithunah, Karkatakaha, Simhah, Kanya, Tula, Vrishchikah, Dhanuh, Makarah, Kumbah, Meenah. Okay, so Mesha Rashihi, Vrishabha Rashihi, like that also it goes. But here they have just used the name portion only. So some two are feminine Rashis, others are masculine. It's clear. Meenah, I'm not sure what is the linga, but Kanya, Tula are clearly Strilinga. Okay. So then Dvadasha Masaha, 12 months. Chaitra, of course, we study it without the upasarga. Sorry, without the vibhakti pratyaya in our mother tongues. But anyway, Chaitraha, Vaishakaha, Jyeshtaha, Ashadaha, Shravanaha, Bhadrapadaha, Ashvayujaha, Kartikaha, Margashirshaha, Pushyaha, Magaha, Palgunaha. So we mug it up like Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshta, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvayuja, Kartika, Margashirsha, Pushya, Maga, Palguna, like that. In our childhood, mother used to make me mug it up. Okay, so nice. So these two are very, looks like some of the students here are better qualified to teach this properly. So for example,
now which Masha is going on?
Tell us, sir.
Any idea, sir? Now which Masha is going on? Any idea, sir?
Pushya Masa.
Pushya, okay.
Okay.
So these are lunar months actually. So maybe there is a different set for solar month names with some of them mapping. So yeah, for example, Tamil months names have a half overlap with this, and there are some their own names. So it's all interesting combination.
No, Tamil usually will these things on the day of the Purnami, whichever star comes, it's named like that.
In solar calendar, it is based on sun's rise on which Rashi, like that.
Yeah.
Slight
Makaram.
difference will be there, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that is Makaram now, huh?
Yeah, Makaramasa.
Okay. Okay, all right. So
it is Makara Shankranti.
Right. Makara. So we just not finished with that month yet. Okay. Interesting.
We call it Thai Solar, the same as the Dvadasha Rashaya, which is the solar calendar, and the Dvadasha Masaya is the lunar calendar, the months.
Correct.
Sir, in Tamil it is Thai Masam, sir, now.
Thai Masam right now, no?
Thai Pongal, we
actually,
say, Thai Masam.
and also the full moon that was there a few days ago is called Thai Pusam or something like that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
The first full moon after Sankranti is the Thai Pusam in Tamil calendar.
Yes.
Which is basically Pushya full moon. Yeah. The Pusam is a, what you can call it as a modified
Pushya
version.
Is the equivalent.
Pushya's
equivalent.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very interesting. Anyway, benediction to the Navagrahas. So Namaskarams to the Navagrahas. Namah Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Budaya Cha Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. So the 9 names of the planets also come out here. For us, planet means celestial bodies that are closest to us. So starting with Surya. So Namah Suryaya Somaya Mangalaya Budaya. To him, like that. That's why Aya like that. Okay. Here they are in under cluster. Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha. All are in cluster there. So that's why plural. Rahave Ketave Namaha. So these guys are having their own. So as you know, Rahu and Ketu are not, some people take it as comets and other things, but some of us take it as Grahana Grahas. That they create the Chaya, we say. So that's how we take them also. They're the shadow planets, you can call them. Okay. So that's it. So Surya, Soma, Mangala, Buddha, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Rahu, Ketu. They have not tried to venture into English for those. Okay. So nice to know about these things. So with that, we conclude with a final trial of questions related to this particular chapter. So दशमपाठस्य प्रश्नाः अस्माभिः किञ्चित् कर्तुं शक्नुमः इदानीं वयं. तो सः विद्यालय, identify the voice of the following sentence. Very easy. This must be a cakewalk for you guys now. Okay, you guys have mastered this. I was thinking it will be more challenging if someone asks us to convert. We can try that also, but anyway, let me invite Sheshagiri Rao Varya. Sheshagiri Rao Varya, are you available? No. Okay. Radha Panikkar, are you available? Radha Panikkar Varya.
Yes.
Pagiri.
Identify the voice of the following sentences. Saha Vidyalayam Gacheta. Saha is first person singular. Vidyalayam karma Gachate. So it is Kartari Prayog.
Fantastic. Kartari Prayoga. Now it is Gachet. Gachet is what lakara?
No, I'm gone.
Vidiling.
Okay.
Vidhi.
Yes.
It is not, you see, it would have been Gachati, it would have been Lat. Okay.
Lat. Yes.
Gamishyati would have been the ring or whatever, future tense, right?
Yes.
And then Agachat would have been past tense lang.
Past tense lat.
Gachet is Vidhiling. Okay.
Yes.
Gachatu would have been Lot.
Lot.
Okay. So this is how we should quickly practice. Okay. So now this is Kartari Prayoga, like you said perfectly. Can you say that in Karmani?
Karmani. Tena.
Very good. Vidyalayam. Pullinga.
Vidyalayah. Gacheta. Gachet.
We have to convert it to Karmani mode. That is not easy in Lakaras. So switch to what you have to use. Which
Gamaniyam.
Very good. Gamaniyam. Gantavyam. Fantastic. Tena Vidyalayah Gantavyah. Pullinga you have to do. Okay, because Vidyalayah Pullinga.
Yes.
So Vidyalayah Gantavyah or Gamaniyah. Fantastic, madam. Well done. And actually, I just loved the background sound. Where are you from? Because there is some nice sales going on as if it's some ancient India. What's happening?
No, I'm in Thane, Maharashtra. And right now in the playground behind our house, we've got a cricket match going on, a 20. So they've got this music just blaring in between.
Okay. I actually thought someone is selling something interesting. Okay. Nice sounds. Okay. So Kartari Vidhiling.
May I do the next?
Please do. You're in good form.
Tena Kridaniyam. Tena is singular Tritiya. Kridaniyam. So it is Karmani Prayoga.
Very good. You have the answer. Karmani is the answer. But what is this? Kridaniyam is what form? Aniyar. Fantastic. So Karmani -Aniyar. Okay. And it is in Vidyarte. I mean, just like you answered earlier also was Vidyarte, you have here it is Vidyarte in Aniyar. That's all.
Yes.
Well done, Bhagini. Thank you. So now Thane is leading. Which district wants to overtake Thane? Let's invite Sunil Sachdeva. He must be from some exotic place in north. Sunil Sachdeva Mahodaya?
Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm from Vrindavan, sir. Vrindavan.
Wow. Vrindavan. Wow. From Krishna's own place. Sir, your chance for 3 and 4.
Bhaktehi Devaha Vandyate. Bhaktehi, that is again Pullinga, the Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya, what Vachana? What Vachana is that? Tritiya, what Vachana?
This is Bahuvachana.
Fantastic. Tritiya Bahuvachana. Fantastic.
Bahuvachana. And Devaha is again, that is Prathama Vibhakti. Ekvachana.
Correct.
And Vandyate. So this is Karmani Prayoga.
Correct. Which lakara?
Karmani Prayoga. Vandyate. Vandyate is Vandyate.
Present tense, no?
This is lat lakara.
Fantastic. Lat, you got it, sir. 100 marks. I think now you're starting to overtake Thane. Okay. Bhaktaihi devaha vandyate. So you have identified what is the prayoga? It's very easy answer now.
Yeah, Karmani Prayoga.
Karmani Prayoga, and it is in Lat Karmani. The dhatu is in Lat Karmani. Fantastic. Devaha because of pullinga. What
sir,
is it?
one doubt. That previous sentence, Tena Kritaniyam. Can you write in another form also? Saha
Kridiyat, something like that. Okay.
So it can be Bhave Prayoga also.
It is actually Bhave. See, Karmani Bhave, it's okay to say Karmani for now because later now I looking back because you pulled my attention back to that. Creed Dhatu is Akarmaka. Okay. It's not like Kriketam, Kridaniyam, something. It is not Sakarmaka in Sanskritam. Okay. So, Tena Kridaniyam is a Bhave version of Karmani. And if you go to Kartari, Saha Kridiyat, something like that. Okay. Because we have to maintain the Vidyartha, which Aniyar brings. So, Kridiyat or something like that. Okay. May he play. Yes. Good. Sunil Varya, one more chance you get.
Yeah, Vriddehi Kampyate. So Vriddehi, Tritiya 3.3, that is Bahuvachana and Tritiya Vibhakti. And Kampyate is again Lat Karmani.
Very good. What Prayoga is this?
Karmani Prayoga.
Bhave. See, if you see Kamp Dhatu, again the act of shaking doesn't have a Karma Pada. You cannot say Shalam Kampyate. You just the Vriddha himself Kampyate. So it's a Napumsaka Linga Karma Pada imagined. So Kampyate. Of course, there is no Linga Vachan, but Ekavachana is assumed. So in Kriya Pada. So Kampyate. Vriddhaihi Kampyate. Like that. So it's a Bhave Prayoga. Bhave Lat.
Okay. Bhave Prayoga. Okay.
Well done, Mahodaya. So now Brindavan is leading. We need somebody from Ayodhya. Do we have anyone? Can Rama come in and beat Krishna? Okay.
So, sir, in the fourth one, if we wrote Karmani, it would be a wrong answer. We'll have to write Bhave Prayoga.
Actually, right. It would be Bhave Prayoga. It would be the correct answer. A good invigilator will not cut marks because he understands, okay, maybe they didn't get that. Actually, there is no Karma Pada. But what you do now, when you look and there specifically the question is about identify the voice. Just first notice there is no Karma Pada already present. When there is no Karma Pada already present in the sentence, because it's just a two-word sentence with Karta and Karma, Kriya. So you suspect potentially can it be Akarmaka? Okay, but still you cannot conclude it is Bhave, like I told earlier. For example, Saha Gachet is a legal sentence and it continues to be a Kartari Vakyam. Saha Gachet cannot be Bhave. So, for example, Bhaktaihi Vandyate. Let us delete Deva from the equation. I mean, I am apologize to the particular god whom I am deleting here so easily. Anyway, Bhaktaihi Vandyate. By the Bhaktas, it is obeisance is offered, something like that. Now, obviously in Sanskritam, Vandu Dhatu is not Akarmaka. Some Deva, Paramatma, somebody can be the object of that Vandana Kriya. So even if Deva is absent, it cannot be called as a Bhave Prayoga. It still needs to be called a Karmani Prayoga. So,
because when you ask a question, Kim, you'll get the answer.
Very good. Correct. Bhagini is saying the same thing. So you have to ask yourself, Kim Vandyate, then Devaha Vandyate or Paramatma Vandyate, something like that will come out. So, but Kim Kampyate doesn't have an answer. Swayameva Kampyate, only answer. Sahaeva so Tenaiva Kampyate. So Tenaiva Kampyate will become the only answer, then it is Bhave like that. Okay. So, of course, asking a question one thing, but later on finally you have to know the Samskrita Dhatu sense also. So you may have to look up a little bit saying it's an Akarmaka Dhatu, it's a Sakarmaka Dhatu like that. Okay, to be very absolute. But first hint is absence of a Karma Pada in the sentence is a potential hint that it can be Bhave, but still it can be a Karmani in hiding. Okay, so be lookout, but at least you have half a hint there. Okay, excellent. So I think Mahodaya did both. So who next is coming? Let's get some new district into equation. Krishna Kumar, you're available today? Krishna Kumar? Mahodaya, from which district, Mahodaya?
Sir, I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Very close to Thane. Very close to Thane.
No. You can still beat Thane. You try. You can try to beat Brindavan also. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. I'm reading the fourth one now.
Fifth one.
Okay. Balaihi kolahala kriyate. Balaihi is Tridya Vibhakti Bahuvachane. Kolahala Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachane. Kriyate will be Vartamane Kala Tinganda Karmani.
Fantastic.
So this is a Karmani.
Correct. Karmani Prayoga.
So Karmani Prayoga. If I want to put it in Kartari, it'll be Balaha Kolahalam Kriyatam. No, Kolahalam Kurvan.
Correct.
Kurvandi.
You got it, sir. Mumbai is racing ahead. Balaha Kolahalam Kurvanti. Fantastic. You got all the marks. Karmani Lat, and you went beyond the requisite question. So well done. Number 6 for you.
Sita Vanam Gatavati. This is Sita is Ekavachana Pradama Vibhakti.
Correct.
Vanam Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Correct.
Gatavati is Kridanda for past tense. So correct. This will be a Kartari Prayoga.
Kartari Prayoga. What type of Kridanta?
This is Katavati.
Tavatu. Okay. Actually, almost the answer is there in see Tavati, Tavat. So Tavatu, Vatu, Tavatu Pratyaya. So Sitavanam Gatavati. Fantastic answer. Kartarik Tavatu.
Karmani. Should I put in Karmani? Try.
It is Kartari.
Can I try?
Oh, you want to put it in Karmani? Yeah, please. Yeah.
Sitaya Vanam Gatam. Sitaya Vanam Gatam.
Correct. Gatam. Perfect. Kta pratyaya. You switch from Ktavatu to Kta, and that is a fantastic thing. Sitaya Vanam Gatam. Wow, Vasa. Well done. So I think Mumbai is now really ahead. Vrindavan will also accept that Mumbai is ahead. So Thane won't mind because it's right there. So let's see. Anybody batting for other towns here? Anybody outside of these places? Do we have some Puneikar? Pune, because we are competing within Maharashtra now. Sweetie Vari, are you from Pune?
Mumbai, sir.
Oh, you lost your chance, ma'am. Already it's racing ahead, so I cannot give you another chance. Okay. Radha Panikkar's name sounds Maharashtrian, so maybe she's from Pune. Radha ji?
I am from Pune.
Oh, Radha Balasubramaniam is from Pune. Oh, Radha Panikkar ji, you are also unmuted. What is your state?
No, I did it first. So Thane, I'm from Thane. I did it first.
Oh, sorry, I got confused. So many Radhas here.
Yes.
Okay, I am like the confused Krishna here. Radha Balasubramaniam, madam, you get the chance. Pune, to bat for Pune.
Okay. Maharajena Prajaha Arakshantah.
Arakshanta.
Maharajena Dvidiya Vibhakti. Tridiya Vibhakti Pradama. So this is Karmani Prayoga.
Very good. The subject itself more or less tells, because Maharaja cannot be an instrument, so must be a Karta, and he's in Tritiya means Karmani Prayoga. That is very good conclusion, but try to go further. Yeah. Prajaha is what?
Prajaha Pratama
which vachana?
Bahuvachanam.
Pratama Bahuvachana. So the Karma Pada is in Pratama Bahuvachana, correct?
And Arakshanta.
No. Why are you reading Dirga? Arakshanta.
Arakshanta. Rakshanta is Bahuvachanam.
Very good. Very good. That's where you have to be cautious now. Karmani Bhutakala. Fantastic. Now, when you said Karmani Bhutakala, what lakara is that? Do you recognize?
Rakshanta.
Lung. It is in lung. Okay. See, arakshat, and then arakshyanta is plural karmani. Yakara also added, and also the ending going into atmane forms. Okay. So arakshan would have been the normal kartari form. Arakshyanta is the karmani form of that. Okay. Lang bhutakala. Fantastic. So karmani lang bhuta. Yeah, I have put lat. I'm not too. I think I am wrong. You were right, actually. Okay. Let us cancel that orange one. So one more you get, madam.
For that, Kartari.
Try Kartari, madam. Try Kartari. How can you? Maharajah.
Maharajah. Pratama. Prajaha.
Prajaha is Pratama Bahuvachana. Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachana. Sorry. Now you have to go to Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana for Karma Pada. What is that? Ramaha Shabda only you try. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha.
Ramam.
Ramam Ramau.
Raman. So
Raman. Prajan. Very good. Maharajah Prajan.
Jan.
You can.
Praja will be feminine.
Praja is feminine, is it?
Like Mala. Mala Mali Malaha. Mala Mali Malaha.
I think okay, interesting. For a feminine vachana, I'm thinking Praja, Praje, Prajaha. It doesn't sound Praje doesn't sound right. That's why I'm thinking, is it a different type of pullinga?
Janaha.
Praja,
Like
Praja,
can be anything. Jana. Like Janaha can be Jana or Jana or Janam, I think.
I'm not too confident of that. Okay, but anyway, like Bhagini said, if it is Strilinga, then it will remain Prajaha in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, so that is correct. If it is Strilinga, then it won't be Prajan, it will be Prajaha, like Sitaha types. Okay, so okay, let us accept that we need to verify that part. But now, madam, you still have the responsibility, Radha Bhagini, to what now. This was in Bhutakala and Bhuta Karmani. What is convenient for Bhuta Karmani? Sorry, Bhuta Kartari.
Bhuta Kartari. Prajaha. Arakshaya. Arakshayaha.
Arakshat. See, Maharaja is, see, it has to track Maharaja. Forget Praja is not going to influence this Karma Padana. So the Kriya Pada. So Maharaja Arakshat.
Arakshat.
Simple Abhavat type, Arakshat type. Okay. Or if you want to use Bhuta Kridanta, what will you use there?
Kridanta.
Rakshadhatu, with Rakshadhatu, but Maharaja something Bhuta Kridanta form, you have to say. Just like Sita Gatavati, same way Maharaja.
Arakshan.
A won't come because A is only for lung. Okay, that prefix A is for lung. Raksh dhatu will remain. Rakshitavan. Okay, Gatavati type. See, Rakshitavan.
Okay,
okay. Maharaja Rakshitavan. Maharaja Prajan Rakshitavan. Somehow Prajan only comes to my mouth. We will cross check that anyway. Sweetie Bhagini has a point. So Maharaja Prajan Rakshitavan, like that. Okay, another way of putting.
Prajaha means Rakshitavan.
No. But it is Kartari Prayoga, no? Maharaja Rakshitavan.
Okay.
Whether he protected one citizen or all citizens, it is Maharaja Rakshitavan. Okay.
Rakshitavan.
Okay. Good. Good. I think we have pretty much exhausted all the districts of Maharashtra. So we'll give a chance to other. Anybody wants to volunteer for the balance? I think a Sunday siesta afternoon. Many people are not very active now. Let me invite Aruna Bagini. Aruna. See, you have Aruna name. You come top of the list. Ha, Bagini.
Mahodaya. We are in Tvam Asatyam Uktavan.
Correct.
I'm not very good at this.
No, very easy. See, first of all you have to do is you have to tell us whether it is in active voice or passive voice. Okay, that much you try first. It's very easy. Literally, just do. Let us try a literal translation. Tvam you.
Asatyam. Lie.
Lie. Correct. You lie.
Actually, it is said. You told a lie.
You told a lie.
Lied.
What voice is this? Even in English.
It is passive.
Active voice. You
active,
told a lie.
You told a lie.
Yeah, passive of that will be a lie was told by you is passive form.
Correct.
You told a lie. Moment you as a subject comes, automatically it is active voice. Tuck. Okay. So Tvam is the subject of the telling, and it's also in Prathama Vibhakti. So it has come there. That means it is active voice. Okay. So usually the subject himself gives away the voice very quickly. Okay. I mean gives away in the sense he dictates the voice very quickly. Okay. So that you have now cleared out of the equation. So it is Kartari Prayoga. So you have also done the translation. Now all you just for our color, not because the question paper asks, Uktavan is what kind of Kriya Pada?
Uktavan.
Is it a Lakara type or is it a Krudanta type?
Sir, you have to help me here.
Okay. No problem. See, Uktavan, Uktavati, these forms are called Bhuta Kridantas. These are actually the same dhatu has been applied into a Kridanta ending. And in these endings, it becomes like a descriptor to the person who is doing the action. So, Ramaha Uktavan, Rama told, Tvam Uktavan, you told. Here, the Kridanta actually also has a Linga Vyavastha. Unlike normal Kriyapada, it has to be recognizing the Linga of the Karta. So, Tvam happens to be here potentially a male. We don't know that from Tvam, but we know it from Uktavan. So, whoever Tvam was is a male. So, Uktavan. If it was a female, Uktavati would have come. Okay. And this is called Ktavatu Bhuta Kridanta. Okay. And so, and if you want to make it karmani, we use a kta kridanta. Tvaya asatyah uktaha. Like that we. Okay. Uktaha is in pullinga bhuta kridanta, but karmani bhuta kridanta. So it points to asatya. Asatyah. Asatyam eva napumsakalinga. Then asatyam uktam it will become. Okay. So tvaya asatyam uktam. Tvaya because it is in third vibhakti due to karmani. By you tvaya asatyam untruth uktam was told. And asatyam and uktam are paired. Instead of uktavan and tvam, in karmani asatyam and uktam gets paired. Okay. So fine, good try. But anyway, what you got the answer more or less. Kartari ktavatu bhuta kridanta. So you can take rest. Thank you, Bagini. So let us invite. Rangachar Mahodaya. You're available?
Yes, sir. I'm there, but I'm not confident of this.
Don't worry, Mahodaya. You know the answer. Tell number 9.
Answer I know, that is a Karmani Prayaga.
No. Hold on. You're rushing. You're half there. You will get only half mark. Is it Karmani?
I think so, sir. Tvaya is giving that answer.
Very good. But there are 3 prayogas, Rangachar Mahodaya. There is Kartari, Karmani and Bhave. Can it be Can it be the third version? Instead of karmani, can it be bhave?
I don't know the meaning of sthiyatam.
Okay. Sthiyatam is to stand up or to stay. Okay.
Then it is bhave, sir. Then it is bhave.
Tishtatu comes from the same thing. Tishtati is also coming from the tisht. So stha dhatu, it is called dhatu is called stha, and it takes the form of tish in the tishtatu and all that. Okay.
Then it is bhave prayoga. Right.
Bhave prayoga, because standing doesn't
I don't
involve
know the meaning of
it. So can you say this in Kartari?
Tvam. Tvam.
You can use lot instead of vidiling. Tishta, tvam tishta is fine. Okay. Tvam tishta, lot is fine. Okay. Don't need to go to vidiling form and all that. Okay. So
Uttishta also will do, no?
No. Uttishta is a different meaning than tishta. Okay. So better to just stay with tishta, because there is no upasarga in sthiyatam. Don't add any upasarga with tishta. Okay. So tvam tishta is correct answer. So last one you try, Mahodaya.
Bhagavata bhaktaha anugrahyate. Anugrahyate. This is karmani prayoga. Bhagavata bhaktaha anugrahyate.
Karmani, because Bhagavata is in Tritiya and Bhaktaha is in Prathama. Okay. Anugrihyate, what kind of form is that?
Anugrihyate is sounds like Atmanepadi actually.
It's correct. You're right in the sense that it is having Atmanepadi ending. But the Atmanepadi ending comes with a nich yakara, if you see, and that is because of Karmani Prayoga, right? So the Atmanepadi ending doesn't alone guide anything here. It is helping the fact that Karmani Prayoga needs Atmane ending. Yakara is also heard, so it is Atmane, no doubt. But Anugrihyate, if you forget the fact that there is Atmane ending and nich, Karmani nich yakara, what is that lakara of that? By meaning also you will be able to tell. Anugrihyate, what does it mean?
He blesses or something. He
bless, yeah, correct. By the God, the bhakta is blessed. Yeah.
Devotees are blessed. Right.
Blessed, correct. One single devotee in this sentence. One single devotee is blessed. Correct. Is blessed. So what could be the lakara?
Let lakara only.
Let lakara. Sir, you got it. See, slowly. It's just a matter of applying oneself. Okay. Here, the grih dhatu also has anu upasarga added. Okay. Yes. So anu grihyate. Okay. Okay. So I think that was a good exercise. Now we will do some crowdsourcing. So match the following according to the rules of bhave prayoga. So this is very specific question. Okay. So kartrupadam, karmapadam. Oh, this is a nursery scale question for us. Okay. So any of you can volunteer.
Mahoday.
Kartrupadam.
Bhave prayoga. Kartupadam tritiya vibhakto.
Very good. Kartrupadam tritiya vibhakto. Okay.
Karmapadam na bhavati.
Na bhavati. Very good.
And kriyapadam prathama purushe ekvachane.
Ekvachane. Fantastic. You got it. Like vrikshena kampyate is an example.
Vrikshena kampyate. Yes.
Example. So since you are in good form, try number 1 of section 3 question.
Translate into Sanskrit impersonal. Means karmani prayog.
Impersonal voice is not karmani, it's bhave.
It's bhave prayoga. Let us, it's asmabhihi. Krida dhatu. Kriditam.
Past tense. See, kriditam would be past tense. But it's not incorrect. What you said, asmabhihi kriditam is correct, except the meaning became by us it was played. Okay, but what we want to say is let us play.
Let us play. Asmabhihi. No idea, sir.
Tavyatanir. Tavyatanir.
Kriditam.
Kriditavyam.
Kriditavyam. Okay.
See, Kridaniyam. Actually, it is giving the sense of we should play, but we can apply it. Okay. Asmabihi kriditavyam kridaniyam, like that. Okay. Or you can go to Vidiling. Kridyeta, something like that.
Kridyeta.
Okay. Kridyatam. Okay. So this is slightly different. So asmabihi kridyatam. Athva vayam kridama. Vayam kridema. Vidiling. So many forms are there. This is kartari, that's karmani. Or bhave, I should say.
So
This is kartari and that's bhave.
can it be asmabihi kridyate? Asmabihi kridyate can come?
It could actually. It is let, that's all. Without let. So
Because letters I thought was a Martamana Kala, you know. So
no,
that's the
correct.
reason.
Asmabihi kridyate is correct, and that will be in let, that's all. Let bhave.
Okay,
I could add it to the list. So well done, Bagini, Hiral Bagini. So anyone else wants to volunteer?
Yeah, may I try, sir, second one, Krishnan?
Sir, try.
We get up. Asmabhigi utyate.
Uthiyate. Okay, you are close. Uthiyate. It's a little way of form variation. No. It's not. Good try. I mean, asmabihi uthiyate is the form. Correct. See, asmabihi uthiyate. Vayam uttishtamah is the kartari prayoga in Lat. So anybody else wants to volunteer for Lotus's bloom?
Hello.
Chitra.
Sir, can I?
Chitra Bagini jumped in first, madam. I'll give you next.
Kamalaihi vikasyate.
Correct. I like that you settled at ekavachana. Kamalaihi vikasyate, because our brain will tell go bahuvachana, go bahuvachana. No. Ekavachana. Kamalaihi vikasyate. Pankajaihi vikasyate. Pankajaha vikasanti. Lat. Okay. Who was the other person, other lady trying to answer?
Yes, sir, Pushpa.
Pushpa Bagini. Girls ran.
Girls ran. Balika bihi davitam.
Good.
Correct,
Balika bihi davitam. Correct. You using kta pratyaya, which is also allowed.
Yes, sir.
So, and it's also past tense, which is required for ran. Okay. Balika bihi davitam. Very good. Balika bihi, bala bihi or balika bihi, both are okay. Balikaha adhavan. Dhavitavya. Dhavitavatyah. Ktavatu pratyaya. Dhavitavatyah. Balikaha. So the kta of this in bhave is dhavitam. Okay.
Yeah.
Well done. Adhavyata. I think in lung bhave it will be adhavyata, like that. Something like that. Number 5. Anybody volunteering for the last answer? Okay.
Shall I, sir?
Pushpa.
Baby's cried.
Radha Bagini is trying. Okay, Radha Bagini, try.
Babies cried. Oh, babies is Sishu. Sishubihi. Sishubihi.
Ruditam. Very good. Cried Ruditam. See, kta pratyaya is a little easier than going to par lakara. Now we're starting to like it, no? Shishubihi Ruditam. So you can use bala bihi, but baby is really shishu. So shishubihi Ruditam, like that. Shishubihi Ruditam. Correct. Shishavaha Arudan. Ruditavantaha. Shishavaha. I don't know is whether we take it as pullinga. Ruditavanta has a pullinga sense. Arudan is linga less, so that's fine. But anyway, Ruditam has no such linga confusion because it is in bhave. It doesn't associate with any particular subject linga. So it's in Napumsaka, Ruditam. Well done. Okay, so great. With that, we have concluded our 10 lessons, a marathon. A significant number of you have strayed through all these 36 sessions, and that's mammoth. Okay, so now we have only 10 minutes allotted from the balance time, so we will not worry much about going into question paper today and tiring ourselves. So maybe we will meet next weekend and try the question paper. Okay, Next Saturday, does it work for you guys? Next Saturday, 11 o'clock as per our normal flow?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Mahodaya. Yes, sir.
We are
Okay,
already
great.
ready to attend to you.
That will do.
No, sir, no attending to me. You guys are attending to Sanskritam. I am just there to learn along with you guys.
You
Okay,
are
then.
our Samskrita.
Okay.
Real treasure.
So,
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you very much for your guidance, sir. Thank you very much for your guidance.
Thank you, madam. Thanks for
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Namo Namaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ನಮೋ ನಮಃ.